Students, today I am teaching you basic lines. This is compulsory for all the classes. So first we have to draw the margin, and then in middle of the page we have to draw two lines this way. You can use scale for this thing, and then vertical line this way. If your book is big, some more blocks will be added, so it's okay if you are getting more. Fine. So this way we have to complete our blocks in whole page. You are getting one block. Last block is little big, so it's okay, because again if I will draw one line, then it will be small. If you want, you can do small, and if you want, you can use big one also. Okay. So this is a block ready. Write here today's date and write your topic, basic lines. Fine. Now in first block we will start horizontal line here. Without scale you have to do straight and nearby. Don't stop in middle. Try to do straight and continue. Maintain spacing. Okay, and try to do straight. You can see how I am showing you. We have completed one block. You can see. Now leave one block and go to next. Alternate we will do. Okay, I am just showing you two lines right now. So you can see the same way we have to do horizontal line in second block this way. Then we have to leave one block and we have to do here third block. In the same way, this small one also we will fill horizontal line. You can see. Now top portion we will complete and come down. First block we have done horizontal, so here we will leave and we will start with second block. Here horizontal lines. Getting? Again the same thing, leave one block, go to next block, same horizontal lines, leave one block, next horizontal line. This way we have to complete all the horizontal lines. These basic lines are really very important. Okay, so do nicely. Start. So children, you can see this way we have completed a horizontal line. Fine. All the blocks till end we have completed horizontal line, and now the remaining blocks which you can see, there we will do vertical line. And for vertical line, just pay attention over here. We will start from here top, slowly come down. Just touch your pencil, don't touch your hand down. Okay, you can see full pencil will come down slowly this way. Try to do nearby. Maintain spacing. Starting you will have some difficulty in vertical line, but slowly it will come. And don't turn your book. Keep your book straight as it is. Don't turn your book, and in remaining all the blocks we will do vertical line. So we have done horizontal and vertical line. So this way you have to complete your first page. Now we'll go to remaining line. So turn your page. We will not do left side. We will use right page. Same, you draw margin with scale, and then you have to draw this way horizontal blocks. Okay, leave some space and draw this way horizontal blocks. You can see. Same here, write today's date write here basic lines. Fine. Now in first block we will do C curve. How? Touch top and bottom line and draw C. Continue little curve. You can see. Try to do nearby and continue. Try to maintain the spacing. So this way you have to do C curve. So this way we have completed our C curve. Now next block, opposite direction. This way. You can see. Same way, try to maintain the spacing and try to do nearby. Full block we will do this way. Now this both the lines we have to do together in third block. This way C curve, opposite direction and inside one small. That is right. This way we have to join and do next. So this way we will complete our third block. You are getting? This way. Now fourth block, slanting line. Try to maintain spacing. Slowly your line will be big. So it should be straight, that you have to keep in balance. It should not be curved. Fine. This way slanting line you have to do. And here last block, again you do slanting line. This way. From bottom to top. I'm showing you. Get it? And from top to bottom, overlapping that, then you will get checks. I am showing you a little, and then you have to complete the whole blocks. Getting this way checks you will get. Fine. So this way you have to complete your basic lines. So this way we have to complete our all linings, full block, you can see. Fine. Now we'll go to next page. Now in this page we have to draw little small line, first, second, third, 4 blocks, and then down 3 blocks we will do little big. Fine. So here we'll start with spiral. Here we will do. That's top and bottom line, you can see. And then draw one circle this way and continue inside. You will not lift your pencil and maintain the spacing, and this way you will do spiral. You can see, continue the full block. Now in second block here we will do triangle, same way spiral. Try to maintain spacing. Don't lift your pencil. Do slowly and nicely. Okay children? Now circle, triangle, then we'll do square. Same way we will not lift the pencil. Try to maintain spacing. You can stop in the corner, and then here we get practice of standing and sleeping, means horizontal and vertical both the lines together. Okay. Now we'll do red triangle. This much big will take. This way we will complete our red triangle. So we are getting practice from top to bottom and bottom to top. All 4 directions we are getting practice of our lines. Getting? So this way you have to do the whole block. Now next I'll just show you mountain shape. This way first draw the whole block. Do slowly. First draw the whole block, and then here we will do slanting line this way. And inside maintain spacing and will do like A, getting mountain shape. Don't stop in middle, try to do continue without lifting your pencil, and here in opposite direction, top to bottom, bottom to top. These continue lines are important. Don't lift your pencil. These basic lines are really important, and then you will able to do your work very nicely. This way we have to complete this full, and then now next we have done curve. Now we are doing pointed V shape. This way draw the full mountains, full blocks, and here we will do slanting line. Here same way, but here pointed, point now, top to bottom, bottom to top. This way we have to fill, and here E, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top. And the last block we will do this way waves. Maintain spacing. Okay. So children, we have done this. You can see now, this way you have to do full blocks, right? Now next page. Now this way you have to do, try to do nearby, maintain spacing. Okay, this all textures are very important. We will use it, and then you will know where we can use. This way full block we have to use. And now see here, touch top and bottom line, do circle, just don't lift your pencil, do continue this way. Okay, continue spiral. You can see, maintain spacing, continue, touch top and bottom line, and this way you have to do continue. Full block. Next, same way, but we will do 8 this way. Here also we don't have to lift the pencil. If suppose you are lifting, start from there only. Okay. So this way you have to do your 8. This full block. So children, this way you have to complete your block, and everything you do in your book and show me. Okay, if you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask me. These basic lines are really very important, and it will improve your work. And one more thing I want to say, you can take any newspaper, or you can take the back page this way of your book, and this exercise is very important. Do circle, just touch your pencil, circle clockwise, anti-clockwise, and 8. This exercise do daily 5 minutes. So this will improve your drawing, your writing, your confidence in your strokes, everything. Okay, so please practice it and let me know the results. Thank you.